have chips.
Chips? Well, what's the point anyway? They're mostly air packets and unhealthy.
Wait a second. How are chips made?
Well, you have to fry them and they're really unhealthy.
Why don't people make chips in the microwave?
Wait a second, I just remembered. You can. Why don't we go make our own right now and show our viewers how? Let's make chips.
Finally, you came. What's the first step?
Wait a second, where did it come from? Wait, don't say it. I don't want to know. Well, at least we got our potato. Now, there are different ways to make this. Either first you peel it or okay, I'm not making this video then.
Oh, I'm sad.
Why are you sad?
You're gonna eat me.
Don't worry, we're gonna wash you first.
Oh, wait, what?
Yeah, and drown you. How lovely, isn't it? Anyway, step 1. Wash Mr. Potato until he chokes by breathing in the water, which is so lovely. This doesn't look very good, but best not to peel it because it gives some flavor, I guess. But wash it really well. After you've scrubbed it really well until his face comes off, then it's probably ready to eat. Just kidding. Let me tell you what it is ready for. For this kid to try it. Say ah. What? Aren't these chips? Well,
No.
we can make this into chips in a microwave without too much oil. But you will need,
Tell me how to make it.
no, I'm going to tell them how to make it. So,
Mr. Potato, you know.
what?
Mr. Potato.
I don't know. I'm totally not making him to,
Why did you put Mr. Potato on the cutting board?
totally not to cut him into thin slices to put him in nice and where are my chips? Well, I know it looks, but the chips are not ready yet. These are still potatoes. So, what's the next step?
Then it became into back dance after she used it. Where is Mr. Potato?
Okay, I have something to tell you. You know what chips are made out of?
No.
Well, they get made out of lots of things, but the chips we're making are made out of potatoes. And you know what Mr. Potato is?
Potato. So you use them?
Yes, and he's gonna taste really nice. He's gonna be so excited, I think. Uh-oh. Are you ready to eat it? Stop. Okay, then I won't let you taste him. Do you want to taste your friend? Wouldn't it be cool? Haven't you always wondered what your friend would taste like? Be honest. I'll put salt on it. Alright then, I guess I'll have to eat your friend all by myself. No. Wait, you want to eat your friend? He's just depressed. He'll get over it. I can hear a noise, so the time's not up. I'm just gonna check. Ooh, it's
Don't throw your phone in
sizzling.
the microwave.
You thought I'm not gonna throw my phone in the microwave. I'm just checking because I heard that sizzling sound. Of sizzling goodness. You know what? I'm gonna throw in the flavor right now to lock in the spices. So somewhere near the middle. Oh, never mind. It's too hot. I'm gonna do it later. Ready? Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Why are they so little? I wish we made more now. How it's hot. It's hot. It's actually hot. Touch it. Well, now. Now for the top. Pink salt, which you don't have to use, but we're using pink salt because it's nice twist. Well, I think we need a little bit more because chips should be salty. Now a teensy bit of pepper. Oh, I think that's too much. It's pretty hot and we had to peel them off with a knife. And yeah, so here are your homemade chips. And wait, one more step.
I'm not a step. It looks ready to me.
Aren't you supposed to be sad your friend is gone?
No, his brother is my friend.
And if his brother is eaten?
Oh, the fruits will be my friend.
What if everything in this house is eaten?
Then the cooking things will be my friend.
Oh, yeah, you know what, never mind. Well, anyway, now keep it in some tissue paper. Fold it like this. Chips, sir.
Thank you.
Not all for you. You have to share with me. I'm the chef. Eat. Oh, just try one and tell me what it's like. Oh, I hear that crunch. Did you hear that? Wait, just open your mouth and do that crunch. Never mind, they can't hear it. Wait, okay, listen to my crunch. Look at this. Oh my, this is best things, addictive. Oh my god. Totally make this, except add less salt, I guess. Okay, bye. Oh my god, give me the whole thing. No, I want it. Oh wait, aren't you still sad? Oh, fine, let's cheer.